In this video, we'll discuss on how to remove your YouTube account from other devices. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to open your YouTube application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on the profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you will see the option of Google account that is in the top between the switch account and turn on incognito option. Tap on it. From here, scroll and then click on the security section that is between the data and privacy and people and sharing option. Tap on it. In the security tab, scroll down until you find the your devices option. Now click on manage all devices that is highlighted in blue color. And here you will see the list of your devices. To remove your account from one, click on the arrow next to it, then simply tap on sign out. Click on sign out again to confirm. And this will successfully remove your YouTube account from that device. It's that easy. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.